Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. I have got a new box today, and I'm super excited about it. It is the Joy box. It's the Fall 2025 box, and it is from Joyfully Said. It is a store in Middlebury, Indiana. They make their own signs, but they also have a home decor section. I've actually visited this store within the last year. I had no clue they did boxes. I don't know if this is the first box or if they do it every season. I don't know. From what I could tell, it was a one-time purchase box. So yeah, I'm not sure, but the box popped up and I was like, oh, really? I gotta get that. So I ordered it, I wanna say it was earlier this week, or maybe it was last weekend, and it's already here. So talk about quick shipping. The box for the first 100 people that signed up got $10 off the box. And the box is $199. And it has a value of $245. I'm trying to get into it, it's really big. Again, this is in Middlebury, Indiana, that's the store. So there are supposed to be 12 items in here. There is a card. And it says, we loved curating this fall joy box for you. Each item was handpicked with intention to bring into your space. Thank you for shopping it. I'm interested. Okay, so there is hundreds of these in the box. So I'm going to do my best to get things out and show you. If you are interested in this pile that's behind me, go and catch my prior video from 3rd and Main and you will learn all about it. So let me get out the first item. All right, so our first item is a plaid pumpkin. I love this color plaid. And as I've said before in other videos, I love pumpkins. I love all textures of pumpkins. I love all colors of pumpkins. I'm building I don't want to say collage, let's say a mound of different pumpkins. So this is going to fit in perfectly. All right, the next item we have here is a potted fall fern color. You do have to manipulate it a little bit. It looks fake. It is plastic. This is going to be all about how you style it is going to bring out the richness of it. But even though it's plastic, I like it because I love the color of it. I love how it's full. And if I understand this box correctly, she has already styled like a vignette for us. All of these items go together. So I really like this firm. All right, the next item is packaged here. It is a candle from Sweetwater Decor. It is fall leaves. It is scented apple, orange, cinnamon, and cloves, and it's made in the United States. So let's smell it. Oh, that's good. That's very good. Now the cinnamon is strong. So if you're not a fan of cinnamon, this probably isn't the candle for you. It smells really good. Now I will say, now that the lid is off and it's kind of releasing and breathing, I can definitely smell more of the apple. So the cinnamon has toned down greatly, but it is the perfect fall candle, you guys, for scents. All right, next item I'm pulling out here. We have got some decorative, they look like hand towels. And what is this? This board is called something, and I can't remember what it's called. But let's first look at the hand towels. So we've got 3 of them. They are very pretty. I love the little dainty lace here. Love the fall colors. And last but not least, there we go. I really like those. And then we've got this block, and it is called something, but I can't remember what it's called. It is hand wash only. And here kind of gives you a point of reference for size-wise. This, there's lots of ways you could style these. So I'm gonna use it. It's gonna look great with my vignette of all of this stuff. You guys, I'm like digging in this box, scavenging around, trying to find the items. I'm like, I don't wanna like miss out on something, but there is supposed to be 12 items in the box. Okay, I'm getting this one out, but I will show you here. It is an LED rechargeable lamp. Now, you were able to see online what these items were before you bought the box, okay? So I did know what was coming. I remembered the big items. I forgot about the towels, I forgot about the candle, but the bigger items I remember. And I do remember this item. Me personally, I don't think you can have enough of these little, oh! I wasn't expecting that. Okay, I love it. I don't think you can have enough of these because I think they are so cute to have in little goodness, I can't even talk, alcoves, at the back of a room, just a pretty light. Even if nobody's going in that room, walking by that room, I think it just looks pretty. So this is by PD Home. It did come with a power cord, and that's where you plug it in. And that right there, well, that thing right there, that is what you touch to turn it on and off. I love it. All right, last but not least. Now I will say, I thought the one was a little bigger, but again, I don't do well with size. But looking at them, I don't think I would have wanted them any bigger. So it is wicker pumpkin trays. Love them, don't have any of them. It's so refreshing to get items in a subscription box, and we got 2 of them, that you don't have and you haven't seen in a subscription box before. So love them. Love, love, love. So these are items that she did have displayed all together as a vignette. Very pretty. Oh, wait, hold up. There is one more item. Give me 1 second. I can't believe I forgot this item, you guys. Oh my goodness. Now this item, I know why, because I put my hands down in the box and felt everywhere and I couldn't feel anything because it was at the very bottom of the box. All right. Oh my Lord, if you guys could see all of these things going everywhere. Peanuts are everywhere, you guys. All right, so they do make signs. I want to show you how well packaged this sign is. So all of the corners have the protections on them. So we got the option to pick one of 2 different styles of sign. If you go on there, because you can still buy this box. Be very careful when you're checking it out. Make sure you select which sign you want. I went in so fast, I didn't, so I ended up, my order got placed with the other sign. I sent them an email. Oh my goodness. It wasn't 5 minutes later, and this was on the weekend, I think, because it was late at night. They responded, already had fixed it for me. The other sign was words. This one has this. You guys, are you kidding me? Look at this. Look how beautiful. In a subscription box with all that other stuff. Oh my goodness. All right, so this, I don't know how, I mean, they make all their signs, and I'm trying to figure out, like, I'm not sure how it's like, but Let me get up close. This box would be a beautiful gift for somebody, you know? So you see how all of these items kind of go together? I love it. Like I said, I don't know if this is their first subscription box or if they do this all the time. Regardless, I hope they continue doing it. 100%. And I'm gonna have to get up there and visit their store again. I bought stuff when I was there last time. I didn't buy any signs last time, because now that I'm thinking about it, I don't remember seeing their signs display, but maybe they were and I was sidetracked because they had so many beautiful things in their store. But I'm extremely happy. I'm happy for them, and I'm happy that they got this box, and I'm really, really, really hoping that they continue to do their boxes, because talk about value. This is how you do a subscription box, you guys. Love it. So again, this is Joyfully Said. They do have a store. It is in Middlebury, Indiana. And they still have these boxes left. So hope you enjoyed another unboxing with me. You guys take care. Bye.